Welcome to Grapevine, the Christmas capital of Texas.
What better time to cruise into Christmas capital of Texas than after the sun goes down? The lights get brighter, the music gets livelier, and historic Main Street comes alive. I'll mix in a few daytime glimpses, but tonight it's all about the glow, the energy, and the festive buzz. So buckle up. During Christmas time, downtown Grapevine makes you feel as though you're in a holiday movie or a life-size snow globe. It's loved by children and adults who embrace their inner child. The Christmas capital of Texas welcomes over 1 million visitors, and some reports state about 2 million during their 40-day holiday celebration, featuring 1,400 activities. Everyone comes out. Downtown Grapevine is transformed. It's not just an event, it's tradition. Let's begin our Christmas journey at Peace Plaza's Ice Rink. Whether it's your first time on ice or you're an expert skater headed to the Winter Olympics, you'll enjoy skating under the stars and Grapevine's 64-foot tall live Christmas tree. If you think outside is exciting, take a look at the energy inside. Plus, you can get a little break from the cold. Harvest Hall features 8 different chef-driven kitchens, Euro-style cuisine, craft coffee, and cocktails. Reserve your room at Hotel Venn, a luxurious boutique hotel where you can kick off your shoes, take a nap, and reset for more fun. Or just pop by and take a look at their beautiful holiday decor. Look up, be amazed with childlike wonder by more than 400 drones over historic Main Street at the annual Merry and Bright Christmas drone shows. And while you're there in the plaza, stop by the Peace Circle, where you'll find 11 larger-than-life figures commemorating the historic 1843 Treaty of Byrds Fort. And by the way, you'll see several beautiful art pieces throughout your Christmas exploration here in Grapevine. Let's head over to the North Pole, where you'll enjoy strolling and shopping at the Christmas market. And while you're there, go ahead and purchase your official Christmas capital holiday swag. Cotton Belt Railroad Historic District, I identify that as the Yellow Depot. Enjoy fun year-round. Go back in time, become part of a live train robbery, and meet an outlaw or two. But Christmas time, enjoy the experience of North Pole Express. Join Mrs. Claus on a 40 to 45 minute holiday adventure. Enjoy a yummy cookie baked in Mrs. Claus' North Pole kitchen and Santa's frosty chocolate snow milk, while making sure Santa makes it to the Christmas capital of Texas. Decorating downtown for Christmas is a massive undertaking, a year-long project with 2 or 3 months of intense staging and preparation before the big reveal, aka the Carol of Lights. And this is the lighting ceremony of the big tree, and it is done during the week of Thanksgiving. This kicks off the official holiday extravaganza. The parade of lights features around 100 lighted floats, fans, and of course, Santa. This is Grapevine's Convention Center, where you will enjoy Hometown Christmas located at the Tower Gallery. Take a walk down memory lane and experience the charm and the spirit of a classic American town. Visit the town's Christmas tree, carolers, sweet shop, and of course, yes, reindeer stables. Picture perfect memories are basically guaranteed here. Every corner turns into another backdrop for selfies, reels, stories, and all the social fun you can squeeze in. Sleighs, carousels tucked into a giant Christmas tree, the cutest gazebo. It's like the holidays built their own photo studio. It's the kind of place you don't just visit, you capture it. You see what I did there? Capture as in picture, get it? You know what surprised me the most? This was a Sunday night and it was packed, but in the best way. Families, couples, kids with hot cocoa, everyone snapping pictures and soaking it all in without feeling overcrowded. And true to Texas style, people were friendly, patient, and genuinely enjoying the whole experience. Busy but warm, lively, yet relaxed. Welcome to Toyland, where the kids run wild with excitement and grown-ups end up reliving their childhood favorites. Larger-than-life displays, nostalgia at its finest. It takes a steady hand to play operation. And then there's, well, I'm not sure what this is called, but it's quirky, colorful, and absolutely picture-worthy. Every corner feels like flipping through the pages of the games we grew up with. And of course, the Rubik's Cube makes its appearance, with people struggling just as much as I used to before I finally gave up. Take a quick breather. The kids are watching and you finally get a moment to rest. Well, unless you're chasing down the one child determined to explore everything except the seat you put him in. With nearly 60 businesses in historic downtown, there's something for everyone. Great dining, global flavors, wine tasting, brewery, art galleries, retail shop, cozy coffee spots, and plenty of dessert options. I won't be able to show you every beautifully decorated storefront, but I will do my best to pan around and highlight enough to give you a full feel of the place. And yes, I stopped for a warm cup of hot chocolate. Now, you'll want to pace yourself with all the tasty treats out there. You're supposed to take pictures with your favorite Frosty character, not accidentally start looking like him, if you know what I mean. The Palace Art Center is where timeless elegance meets vibrant entertainment. Two iconic spaces, the beautifully restored Art Deco style Historic Palace Theater and the charming Lancaster Theater. It's a destination filled with history, character, and creativity. Classical movies, live music, film, fun for the family, activities for children, and you. Now, let's take a pause for our station identification. Hi, I'm Tracy Sorrell with the DFW Life, and I help people just like you sell and buy homes in and around our Dallas-Fort Worth Metroplex. And I realize you can find out quite a bit online: bedrooms, baths, square feet, price. But what you may not be able to discover is how people really live their lives in our different communities, cities, and suburbs. Well, that's where I come in. I hop in the car and I drive around so you can have the bird's eye view, VIP access of how people really live their lives. And if you like to be in the know, then you're going to want to subscribe below, press the bell. You'll be notified anytime anything goes down around town. And don't forget, give us a thumbs up. Now, back to the video. Once you've soaked in all the sparkle of historic downtown Grapevine, the holiday fun doesn't stop. Some of the area's most loved Christmas experiences are just minutes away. Handmade Christmas at Nash Farm is the perfect stop if you're craving a little old-fashioned charm, the kind of hands-on holiday fun that feels timeless. Step inside the historic kitchen, warm up by the wood-burning stove, and enjoy home-baked cookies. Hand print your own Christmas cards, craft a vintage ornament, and string a traditional garland to adorn your own home. Ice at Gaylord Texan is a must-see, with massive ice sculptures, snow tubing, gingerbread decorating, and a full walk-through wonderland carved from 2 million pounds of colorful ice. Over at Great Wolf Lodge, Snowland transforms the resort into a full winter celebration with scavenger hunts, sing-alongs, dance parties, crafts, and even daily indoor snowfall in the grand lobby. Whether you're chasing handmade traditions, larger-than-life displays, or a cozy holiday escape, Grapevine truly delivers something for every type. Oh, and if I forgot to mention one of your favorite Grapevine holiday traditions, or go-to spots, hop in the comments. Let us know so that we can discover them and enjoy them too.
Hi, I'm Tracy Sorrell with the DFW Life, and I help people just like you sell and buy homes in and around our Dallas-Fort Worth Metroplex. And if you're thinking about making a move, comment below, grab one of the one-on-one consultation links so together we can discover which city, community, suburb is the best place for you to create your new memories and call home.